Hey guys, sorry I missed last week's episode, but been busy with life and work. So I'm going to be posting up the new one today, which you're watching right now. Um, I wasn't able to get the full final product recorded as well, but that'll be coming in the next video. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to try and work on the tailgate back here, as well as the rack just up here. So hopefully going to be wet sanding it and then painting over it as well. Yeah, let's get it. All right, with everything sanded, looking pretty good. Just gonna be masking it up right now and then putting on some primer. All right, just masked it, got all the sides. It's not pretty, but it'll do. Well, that was the process of me dry sanding, priming, painting, clear coating the entire gate as well as the rack. Remember to like, comment, subscribe so that you'll be able to check in the results next week. Have a great one. Bye.